Our local hospitals are preparing to help those evacuating from the Georgia and South Carolina coasts. News Channel 6's Ashley Osborne shares what our medical community is doing now.
Yep, we've already had patients transported here from Savannah. 4 little babies came from the NICU there. They're now being treated at Augusta University, and our local hospitals tell us that they're ready for more patients to come if necessary. Jill Ever says the planning comes on days like today, blue sky days. So when the gray skies come, they're ready.
We know that bad things are going to happen, and we need to be in a position to be able to respond effectively to those bad things when they do.
Which is what he's in charge of as the emergency management director. AUMC sends doctors and nurses to the shelters
In order to keep them from having to come to the hospital to receive that additional care. So we have medical doctors that go to the shelter, we have pharmacists, we have nursing staff, we have a lot of our nursing students.
And speaking of Augusta University students, classes will happen per usual.
So we're not anticipating a whole lot of negative impact as far as the weather here, but we are asking the students that have signed up to be a part of the Medical Reserve Corps to come out and help us out.
And the hospital prepares to take in critical patients from other cities as well.
We've actually been in contact several times coordinating patient flow, making sure that the people who's in most need of care is able to access that care.
Over at Doctors Hospital, they've not yet taken any evacuees, but they have in years previous, and they're ready now. Emergency Services Director Dr. Thomas Zickraff sent us this quote. He says, "We prepare and practice for emergencies year-round so that we can be ready to support our community during major weather events like Hurricane Dorian." He continued on to say, "We expect that over the course of the week, we will likely have many evacuees from these coastal communities and may need to provide care for transferred patients from hospitals along the coast." And some of you with doctor's appointments this week might be wondering what's the status on those. As of Monday, it's business as usual for those appointments. We'll let you know if that changes, but it doesn't hurt to just call ahead to make sure. In Augusta, Ashley Osborne, WJBF News Channel 6.